I'm
disappointed.
No, not at all. What should I do? It's what we expect to have. But I want our people to be very calm. I want Biafra land to be calm and peaceful. Calm and very, very peaceful. We are fighting to defend our people, not to kill them.
Yes.
We are fighting to defend them. That's why I'm here. I will continue to do so until we get victory.
Hi everyone, this is Cheche Blog. You are welcome. If you are new, please kindly subscribe and turn your bell icon so that you can get notified anytime we drop new video. So earlier today, Kanu appeared in court, and from the video you just finished watching, he called for calmness. Nnamdi Kanu also said that he was fully prepared for the court's appearance as he was in good spirits today. Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer and the leader of his legal team, by name Ifeanyi Ejiofor, wrote on his page as he summarizes what happened in court today. He wrote, "Recall that during his lordship's ruling on our application for the bail of Maxi Nnamdi Kanu, delivered on the 18th day of May 2022, his lordship, Honorable Justice Binta Nyako, directed us to furnish him with information as to what led to the disappearance of Onyendu from September 2017 until June 2021. His lordship further stated that it is important that he inquire into the circumstances that occasioned the inability of Onyendu to be in court to face trial during the above stated period. His lordship was promptly reminded by the learned lead counsel, Chief Mike Ezekome, senior advocate of Nigeria, that an application anchored on the bloody invasion of Onyendu's house on the 14th day of September 2017, which also clearly contained facts as verified and oath by Onyendu, has been pending in court since the 1st of April 2019 it was filed, which application was promptly filed then by us, requesting the court to vacate the bench warrant issued against Onyendu and consequently vacate the order revoking his bail, on the ground that this far-reaching order was made without jurisdiction in the absence of fair hearing. The court took about 10 minutes to exhume this application from its record, even when the prosecutor could no longer lay hand on the counter affidavit they filed. We magnanimously obliged them with a copy in our file, all in a bid to ensure that the application is heard, since his lordship maintained that he will hear this application before finally revisiting the bail application, which he termed in a ruling has been premature. The aforesaid application to vacate the bench warrant issued against Onyendu on the 28th day of March 2019 and the order revoking his bail were taken on the last adjourned date. The interesting part is that this application contained Onyendu's direct account of the bloody invasion of his house on the 14th day of September 2017, genocidal massacre of over 28 innocent and unarmed civilians on that fateful day by the invading soldiers, and his narrow escape by mere act of providence on that day. In law, direct evidence of the person who witnessed the incident is the best evidence which must be considered on the merits. Also, recall that following the ruling on our application challenging the jurisdiction of the court to try Onyendu on the 15-count frivolous charge, his lordship dismissed 8 counts in his ruling and retained 7 counts. We promptly filed an appeal against the decision of the court to retain 7-count charge, predicated on far-reaching grounds that may not be enumerated here, but all considered compelling, cogent, and convincing. We have equally filed the appellant briefs and promptly served same on the federal government of Nigeria, followed by application for accelerated hearing under the Court of Appeal practice direction. The appeal has now been adjourned to the 11th day of October 2022 for hearing of the motion for accelerated hearing. Wow. Today, the court delivered ruling on our application to set aside the order revoking Onyendu's bail and consequently refused same. Part of the grounds for refusing this application, as called from His Lordship's ruling among other grounds, was that there was no denial of fair hearing and that we filed that application 4 years after, though the court stated that we can bring a subsequent application with fresh facts. However, with greatest respect to my noble lord, the holding was not correct because this application was filed on the first day of April 2019 and not this year, which application the court obviously avoided hearing from 2019 till it was called up at the last adjourned date. His Lordship was equally informed by the learned counsel that, in view of the fact that appeal has been entered in the Court of Appeal on a ruling which substantially deals in its entirety with jurisdiction of the court to try Onyendu, also coupled with the fact that if the decision of the court trial is overruled, it will terminate the entire proceeding in this case before the court, and consequently the learned sake apply that further proceedings should be stayed. The application for stay was granted and matter adjourned to the 14th day of November 2022 for mention, by which time the Court of Appeal would have taken a decision one way or the other on the matter before it. Our position to get this matter resolved at the Court of Appeal is that three heads will be in a better position to thoroughly review the entire gamut of the case, as well as the frivolous nature of the remaining 7 counts amended charge vis-a-vis the gross violation of extant international and domestic laws in the abduction of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya and his consequent extraordinary rendition to Nigeria. It is pertinent at this point to formally inform the world that through a counter affidavit filed in a sister suit on the 31st day of May 2022, which suit will commence against the Federal Republic of Nigeria, now pending in court number 5 in suit number FHA ABJ CS 462-2022 between Maxi Nnamdi Kanu versus Federal Republic of Nigeria and Ano. The federal government has admitted and consequently verified an oath their abduction of Maxi Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya and proceeded to further admit that upon his abduction, he was briefly kept in a security facility in Kenya before bringing him to Nigeria. Among other far-reaching admissions they made in their horrific abduction and extraordinary rendition of Maxi Nnamdi Kanu to Nigeria, other details will be left for the court to decide. At this juncture, we urge Chineke to remain calm and peaceful as they have always been, and in line with the admonition of Maxi Nnamdi Kanu in court today, we believe most sincerely that we will get justice at the Court of Appeal, and it will happen soon. No stone shall be left unturned until Onyendu's freedom is secured. Thank you all most sincerely for your support and solidarity thus far. Forward ever and backward never in our legal fireworks until victory is achieved. Remain blessed, Chineke. Signed, Sir Ifeanyi Ejo for ESQ. IPOB's lead counsel 2022, 28th of June. Alright guys, no be small matter. Some people have already said that this thing, it will enter next year. See the way they are just adjourning the case. When Nnamdi Kanu has tried, he has tried in court, and we all know that they are using our head. They are using our head to play politics on this case. So anyway, this is the update, and you guys have had it. Please stay subscribed to the channel if you've not done so we know where this will get to. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, have a good day.
No, not at all. What should I do? It's what we expect to happen. But I want our people to be very calm. I want Biafra land to be calm and peaceful. Calm and very, very peaceful. We are fighting to defend our people. Not to kill them. Yes. We are fighting to defend them. That's why I'm here. Yes. And we'll continue to do so until we get victory. Come on, I'm disappointed. No, not at all. What should I do? It's what we expect to happen. But I want our people to be very calm. I want Biafra land to be calm and peaceful. Calm and very, very peaceful. We are fighting to defend our people. Not to kill them. Yes. We are fighting to defend them. That's why I'm here. Yes. And we'll continue to do so until we get victory.